Okay, dear students, uh, we will discussing 11th chemistry particular first chapter. The chapter name is some basic concepts of chemistry. Mean to say almost those topics which you have learned in previous classes, but out of those important things which you need to revise, some basic particularly that are present in this topic, like we do about the matter classification discussion in this chapter. We will talk about the Dalton's atomic theory, which you have already done in ninth class. Matter classification also you did in the ninth class. So Dalton atomic theory, some chemical combinations mean to say chemical reactions which are happening, mean to say two things combining to produce something else. So what are the various laws which are keep maintained during any chemical reaction? Those are chemical combination laws. And at last some concentration terms. These are the, I will say that the whole chapters we can combine in these mainly four topics, that matter classification, Dalton atomic theory, chemical combination laws, and concentration terms. Concentration terms about mean to say some solutions you have prepared, like this is water, in this we added some sugar particularly in this, then it become a solution. But how much sugar is present and how much water, that you have to explain, like you can explain in the percentage, that is also a concentration term. But you will also learn some different concentration terms in this chapter, which is of quite importance. Okay, now when you see this chapter in the NCERT, when you start this chapter, he will talk about the chemistry importance first. Okay, what is the chemistry importance? So chemistry importance is great in human life nowadays. Okay, like various drugs particularly, or you can say medicine. Okay, these are the prepared by chemical principle which have great importance. In daily life you use toothpaste, soaps, detergents. These are all the inventions of the chemistry. So chemistry have a great importance in daily life. So first topic he has explained the same thing in the NCERT, that what does the chemistry have importance in your daily life. So you can tell them about that, yes, it have great importance in daily life, because many things in day-to-day life we are using are the invention of chemistry particularly. So that's why importance in daily life. Next, he will ask about the chemistry importance in different fields, like in field of physics. Okay, so that what is the importance of chemistry in physics? So chemistry also have different. Every science have interrelated aspect particularly. Like chemistry have some importance in physics, as well as physics have many importance in the chemistry as well. But what is the importance of chemistry in physics, that he want to know here about? So in physics, some particular problems, like if you have to explain magnetic properties, which you will study in physics a lot, magnetic properties of elements, then why these magnetic properties is possessed by any substance, that can be only explained by chemistry. Okay, by telling electronic configurations. Okay, which we will learn in the second chapter particularly, that what is electronic configuration. Okay, so that electronic configuration actually tells that which substance will possess magnetic character or not. But these magnetic properties is studied in the physics, and these properties are explained on the basis of the chemistry principles. So that's why overall we will say that every science have importance in other science particularly. So the chemistry have a great importance in physics. Now he talk about the chemistry importance in biology. So you know that biology deals with the living things particularly, whether plants, animals, and biology, various things also in biology, like we discussed already, like medicines, are prepared under medicines are prepared by the particularly chemists which have great knowledge of chemistry subjects, and their principal inventions are applied in the biology particularly. Okay, so every science I am saying is interrelated. So that's how you will explain the importance of chemistry in three things: daily life, physics, biology. So that's how you will explain. In environmental studies also you can explain the importance, particularly environmental studies, because I think you have heard a lot about the AQI. Nowadays AQI is your air quality index. Okay, so which is due to lockdown has become very good quiet days. Okay, because industries has become shut down for a long time, so that's quality of air quality index had get quite good particularly. So this air quality is measured in some terms that is known as ppm, parts per million. Okay, these are the concentration terms which we are discussing over here, and these concentration terms how we are doing are explained by the chemistry, which is getting used in the environmental studies, that what the chemicals particularly having the effect of the environmental conditions particularly. Okay, a lot of importance you can say, like artificial rains also you can do by using the chemical principle. Okay, silver iodide is the particularly gaseous substance which is used to form the water vapor precipitate to become rain at any time, that is known as artificial rain. So chemistry have a lot of importance in all these varied fields. Okay, that's the NCERT first topic he is dealing with. Now the next topic he want to discuss you. So this is that first topic, that chemistry importance you have to explain in different fields particularly. The next topic is about matter he will discuss you. Okay, so matter classification. First of all, you know that if somebody want to classify the matter, I know your answer will be solid, liquid, gas, which you have already crammed at a lot of time. But this is not always true, because this is matter classification on the basis of state, that what is the state of matter, on that is the classification, it is true. But if you want to classify matter on chemical basis, chemical classification, okay, mean to say chemistry related classification, so matter is classified only into two parts, that is your pure substance, okay, and one is mixture. Okay, in nature particularly everything is present in almost in mixture states, mean to say you will not get any particularly pure substance easily in nature in pure form. Almost mixtures are present. Pure substances are need to be extracted from mixtures particularly by chemical processing. But what is a pure substance? A pure substance which can be represented by a chemical formula, which we can represent by using a chemical formula, like a sodium chloride, salture, formula is NaCl. Okay, next you can say H2O, water, it's a chemical formula. But mixture, like if we mix salt into water, salt plus water, that is termed as your mixture, which you will get in nature in the seas particularly. Okay, you will not going to get a pure H2O or pure NaCl at anywhere in nature. You will get the mixture particularly. That's why I am saying that mixtures are available. So today we will discuss up to here that what is the chemistry importance, what is the chemical classification, and what is the physical classification difference particularly. Okay, we will further continue this classification, okay, in your next lecture. So today your homework about the chemistry is to read particular first 3 pages of NCERT. Okay, that is your homework particularly. Okay, good, thank you.